The following is a demonstration of the T-Scan 3 bite analysis system. The T-Scan instantly displays interferences and timing and force levels for evaluation and treatment of occlusion. Your patient simply bites down on an ultra-thin sensor, and the software displays the timing of contacts and levels of force in vivid graphics. With this data, visualizing and achieving a balanced bite is easy to accomplish. The handle connects into the USB port of your PC and is easy to move from one operatory to another. The sensor, designed to fit the shape of the dental arch, inserts into the sensor handle. The T-Scan handle has two buttons that will function on the panel here. The first button brings up a new recording window. The second red dot button will start and stop the recording mode. You can record a patient going into maximum intercuspation, being manipulated into centric relation, or performing excursive and protrusive movements. There are many different dental applications for the T-Scan system which go beyond general occlusal equilibration. The T-Scan system is a valuable tool for removable prosthetics, implant time delay, balancing splints, orthodontics, and locating painful teeth. If you have a patient that has a painful tooth, but they can't quite pinpoint where it is, the T-Scan can show rather easily whether it is occlusally related. T-Scan technology is specifically designed for bite analysis to expand your practice in a wide range of applications. Find the first point of contact accurately and quickly with the T-Scan. Save time by getting it right the first time and eliminate the guesswork that goes along with articulating paper. T-Scan provides a useful clinical application in identifying and alleviating premature occlusal contacts. You now have the ability to identify which tooth hit first. The typical means of looking at occlusion, such as articulating paper, paste, wax, and foil, do not provide you with any information on timing and force of occlusal contacts. The T-Scan provides you with the dynamic movie of your patient's occlusion. By simply looking at the articulating paper marks, how do you know which contact hits first? What hit second? What was the time differential between the first and second point of contact? Which is more forceful? Is this light scratchy mark an area of low force or high force? The T-Scan provides quantifiable data to add meaning to the paper marks. With articulating paper, all you see is surface area. You need the T-Scan to see the timing and force of occlusal contacts. Both the 2D and 3D software images of this case show you that the small scratchy mark is the highest force, and the larger marks have a lower force. The T-Scan system measures relative force. The software provides a force legend that shows the different force levels that can be graphically displayed by color coding from lowest forces, blue, through middle forces, green and yellow, up to the highest forces, red and orange. The force legend illustrates the color coding, which describes 256 levels of force that can be recorded in a given movie. T-Scan displays the data in many different ways. As you can see in this example, there's a 2D contour view that most closely resembles articulating paper marks. There is also a 3D view, which is a great tool for patient education because you can see the height of the column correlating with the intensity of the force. Each T-Scan recording has a center of force trajectory line that displays the history of the patient's bite. The trajectory line is color-coded to easily identify when the patient is occluding, holding down, or where the excursion begins. The center of force is a timeline of what happens throughout the path of closure. Each segment of the center of force trajectory line represents one click of the mouse, or 1/100th of a second in time. The T-Scan gives you the ability to customize the dental arch in the software before each individual patient. You can indicate missing open, missing closed, crowns, implants, and more. This can be done either before or after taking a recording of your patient's bite. The T-Scan includes a patient database. Bridges are available with many of the practice management systems on the market today. It is easy to network the T-Scan system to use in multiple operatories. The reality is articulating paper and waxes provide limited information on contact timing and force. The T-scan system is a valuable tool that aids in the diagnostic process of analyzing a patient's bite and showing what is and what is not functioning properly. When a bite is unstable, it can cause pain, teeth to crack and break, dental restorations to crack and break, gum disease, tooth loss, headaches, and TMJ disorder. A T-scan evaluation is a simple process that can help aid in the diagnosis and treatment of these problems. TechScan offers various training courses held throughout the country by the leading experts on occlusion. You can view our upcoming event schedule online for a course near you. With the purchase of a T-scan system, you'll receive a full day of training. You can also find out more about the T-scan system by logging on to our website at www.techscan.com and then go to our dental division, where we always have updated trade show schedules, course schedules, and online software demonstrations.